Before 6 a.m., he's already spent $2,000, and that's just the beginning. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson's daily routine isn't just extreme, it's extraordinarily expensive. By the time you and I are hitting snooze for the third time, he's already invested more in his morning than most people spend in a week. Let me break down exactly where every dollar goes in The Rock's $10,000 daily routine. It starts at 3:30 a.m. While the world sleeps, The Rock is already in motion and the meter is running. First up, cardio. But we're not talking about a quick jog around the block. The Rock does 30 to 50 minutes on a custom elliptical machine that costs around $15,000. That's $50 per day when you factor in depreciation and maintenance. His state-of-the-art home gym, which he calls the Iron Paradise, is worth over $500,000 daily use. About $200 in equipment wear and tear. Then there's breakfast number one. Yes, number one because The Rock eats multiple breakfasts. This first meal is typically 10 ounces of cod with egg whites, oatmeal, and vegetables. We're talking premium, sustainably sourced fish flown in fresh. That's $45 per meal. His personalized vitamin and supplement stack. Another $75 each morning, custom formulated by top nutritionists for his specific metabolic needs. Chef Jones photo in The Rock's kitchen. By 6 a.m., between the gym equipment, breakfast, supplements, and chef services, we're already at roughly $2,000, and he hasn't even started working yet. Now we hit the heavy lifting, literally. The Rock's main workout session begins around 6 a.m., and this is where things get seriously expensive. His personal trainer doesn't just show up for an hour. We're talking about a dedicated strength and conditioning coach who plans every rep, every set, every rest period. Daily training cost approximately $500. This isn't your $50 GYM session. This is Olympic-level coaching with biomechanical analysis and real-time program adjustments. Then there's his physiotherapy and recovery team. After decades of professional wrestling and action movies, The Rock's body requires serious maintenance. Daily sports massage, cryotherapy, compression therapy, and stretching sessions run about $600 per day. His in-home cryotherapy chamber alone costs $3,000 per month to maintain and operate. That's $100 daily. Post-workout meals and 3-hit next. We're talking grass-fed bison, wild-caught salmon, organic vegetables, sweet potatoes, and rice. With his caloric needs, he consumes between 5,000 to 6,000 calories per day. These meals run about $150 combined. Everything is weighed, measured, and optimized for nutrient timing. His hydration game is next level too. The Rock drinks roughly 1 gallon of water per day, but it's not tap water. We're talking alkaline water, electrolyte supplements, and custom hydration formulas created specifically for his training intensity. Daily cost, about $30 total so far. We're at approximately $4,380, and it's only mid-morning. Here's where The Rock separates himself from every other celebrity. He's simultaneously running multiple businesses while maintaining this insane routine. Transportation is a massive daily expense. Between his personal driver, security detail, and luxury vehicle fleet maintenance, we're looking at roughly $1,000 to $100 per day. He's not just driving himself to meetings, he's operating like a mobile CEO with a full security apparatus. His content creation setup is Hollywood grade. Every social media post, every video, every piece of content goes through a dedicated team. Videographers, editors, social media managers, and content strategists working daily. Allocated daily cost for his personal brand operation. Around $1,000. This isn't just posting gym selfies, this is a multi-platform media empire generating hundreds of millions in value. Lunch and afternoon meals numbers 4 and 5 are equally precise. Another $120 in premium proteins and organic produce. His personal nutritionist reviews and adjusts his macros daily based on his training, filming schedule, and appearance requirements. That consultation service, $200 per day. Skincare and grooming are also commercial investments. When you're a leading man in multi-million-dollar films, your face is literally worth millions. His daily skincare routine, including professional-grade products and treatments, runs about $150. Monthly barber and grooming services average out to another $100 daily. We're now at approximately $8,150 for the day. As the day winds down, The Rock's investment in his body actually intensifies. Evening training or stunt rehearsal often happens if he's filming. On-set personal training and coordination. Another $300. Dinner meals 6 and 7 o'clock in around $100 for both, featuring lean proteins and complex carbs time for overnight recovery. His sleep optimization is where things get wild. The Rock uses a custom sleep system including a high-end mattress, $15,000 that's about $40 per day, temperature-controlled bedroom environment, blue light blocking technology, and sometimes even a sleep specialist consultation. Daily sleep optimization costs roughly $150. Before bed, there's another supplement stack: magnesium, DMA, melatonin alternatives, and recovery compounds. That's another $50. Finally, there's the infrastructure cost most people forget: insurance, liability coverage, health monitoring, regular medical checkups, blood work analysis, and healthcare optimization. When your body is literally your billion-dollar asset, you insure it like one. Averaged out, about $600 per day. Let's total this up: pre-dawn routine, $2,000 training and recovery, $2,380 workday operations, $3,770 evening recovery and infrastructure, $1,240 grand total, $9,390 per day. Rounded up with unexpected costs, last-minute adjustments, and additional services, and we're comfortably at $10,000 daily. But here's the thing, for The Rock, this isn't an expense, it's an investment. This $10,000 daily routine has helped him build a billion-dollar empire spanning movies, businesses, and brands. His body isn't just his temple, it's his most valuable business asset. The question isn't whether you can afford The Rock's routine. It's whether you're investing intentionally in your own goals, whatever they may be. Because discipline, whether it costs $10 or $10,000, is what separates dreams from reality.